Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change app icon size on Samsung Galaxy. And the first thing you do is from your app screen over here. Let's say I want to change the size of this icon. Now I'm going to tap on the three dots at the top right corner over here in the search bar. I'm going to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you can see these options. Tap on app screen grid. So once you tap on app screen grid, as you can see, you now choose the one you want. Now by 4x5, look at the size. If I tap on 4x6, it gets smaller. If I tap on 5x5, it gets really small. And if I tap on 5x6, it gives me the smaller size. So the app screen grid also helps to make your app smaller or bigger. Now let's see. Let's start with 4x5. Tap on. Once you do that, after choosing 4x5. Now I'm using 4x5, then there's no option for save. I can choose 4x6, tap on save. This is the size you give to me. Now I'm going to go back and choose the next size so you can see the difference. 5x5, tap on save, you can see getting smaller. Settings, I want to choose the last option, 5x6, tap on save. It's as simple as that, because actually you can't reduce the size. There's no option to reduce the size on my particular Samsung. So all I can do is use the screen grid to make it smaller or bigger. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.